Hi guys, my name is Akorede Adenike. You are welcome back to my channel. If this is the first time of you checking on my channel, please like, share and subscribe. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell for you to be notified each time I upload new video. Today I would like to teach you how I make this peplum stand without horsehair braid. Let's get into it. Now this is the peplum I'm using for the tutorial today. I have two pieces of flare here and each one is 360-degree flare, which I'm going to later join together to form 720-degree flare. I have a video on how to cut it. I'm going to put the link in the box below. This is the lining for it. The lining too is two pieces, while I've cut the normal stay for the fabric. I have two pieces of the stay, and I also have BFF stay for the lining, and it's two pieces as well. And I will now go ahead and join and gum the normal stay. The gum side, I'm going to place it on the wrong side of the fabric like this and gum it. This is the second one of it. I'm going to do the same thing on it, and as well I'm going to do the same thing on the lining too. So now I've finished gumming the stay to my fabric, and that's the second one, as you can see me doing. And the lining too, I've gummed my BFFT to heat. As you can see, I have two lining here. This is the second one of the lining. I've gummed the BFFT to heat too. So I'll now go ahead and place the lining on each other. I'll let the right side face each other and stitch with 1/2 inch. But make sure you always trim all the excess. Is either fabric or the thread. Make sure you always trim it to make your job neat. I'll place it on each other, let the right side face each other and stitch with 1/2 inch. I'm going to do the same thing on the fabric too. As you can see me doing, I'll place the right side on each other as well. As you can see me doing, I'm going to stitch with 1/2 inch as well. I've joined the two peplum together to form 720-degree peplum. As you can see, it's very nice and beautiful. And I've joined the lining to it too. So as you can see, I'll now go ahead and join the fabric and the lining together by letting the right side face each other. This is the right side of the lining and this is the right side of the fabric. I'll place it on each other at the center here. So I'll now stitch the bottom with 1/2 inch all through. So now I've finished joining the lining and the fabric together. I stitch with 1/2 inch at the bottom here. So I will now notch it with 1/4 inch all through at the bottom here. Please don't let the notching touch the sewing. After notching, I'll open it up like this and top stitch on the lining side all through. After top stitching, I'll give it nice ironing. Now guys, see the look. I've finished with the top stitching and the ironing. See how well stand it is and very beautiful. This is the inner of it and this is the right side of it. So I'll go ahead and join it to any upper parts that I have. Yes. If you find my tutorial helpful, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel to support my channel. If you have any style you want to talk about, you can join me on my Facebook group, Details to Sewing, created by Akorede Adenike. I'm on Twitter and Instagram at Akorede Adenike. Till I see you in my next video guys, stay blessed. Bye bye.